Hiya, and we just got another quick one today, and we are going to show you how to factory reset your NVR. So we've plugged in our NVR, and we're going to show you how to quickly factory reset it. So there's a couple of reasons why you might want to do this. You've been tinkering around too much with the cameras, or you just want to wipe all the settings, start again, and that's fine. Okay, there are different couple of options how to reset the NVR. Hopefully you got all your passwords and everything like that. Don't forget you need to know your Hikvision IP activation password for your cameras, and make sure it's the same when you re-enter it in. Okay, so where do we go to do a factory reset? Alright, it's pretty straightforward. We go up here up to maintenance. Okay, so we have three options here. So we've got a simple restore, and it says restore all parameters to default except user passwords and general network parameters. Okay, so it doesn't really change that much, just basic settings you might have changed. And we've got restore to inactive. Okay, so this will change all your settings except for your passwords. So for example, you don't know your passwords, and you do want to give it a bit of a reset, and this might be the option for you. But what we are doing today is we're going to go factory default. So this will completely reset it to as it was outside, as it was when you got it out the box. Okay, so how do we do this? Pretty simple. Just click on factory defaults and click on OK, and the system is going to reboot, and you should have a nice reset NVR. So what we're going to do is put underneath this video is a link to our wizard. So you might need that wizard to run through the NVR and just do some basic camera setup and a few little tweaks here and there on your NVR. So I recommend checking out that video after you've done a factory reset. Alright, thank you guys, and see you next time. Cheers.